Hey guys, what up? So, we have someone to expose in this video. So, check this out. Right out the gate. Go ahead and read that. I'll pause for a second. So you see it says Flight 1 Megabolt Extreme, 50 amp, $90. Woo. Price gouging like a mofo. Vanover code. Takes, well, minus $8.99. Awesome. Brings it down to $81, right? Not bad for comparing you can't find Megabolts nowheres right now. Flight 1 Megabolt Extremes, okay? Well, when you get it in the mail and it turns out to be a Flight 1 Afterburner, I tend to start to question things now, because we ordered one a week before and we ordered a Megabolt and thought we made a mistake. We did not make no mistake. We purchased a Megabolt and got an Afterburner, which I am running in that quad. It runs fine. 50 amp ESC, great ESC, don't get me wrong. It's just that the name is wrong on the packaging, which means it's not the Megabolt ESC. It's not even close. They're two different looking ESCs if you guys don't know. Let me show you what the Megabolt looks like. Megabolt Extreme. Set you down for 1 second. Watch me tear into this. Yeah, you see the difference? They're not even close to looking the same, okay? So, Drone Racing Parts, Brooklyn Mark, in Queens, New York. What's going on with this? I don't get this. Why would you send, or let's start over. Why would you charge me $66 for this last week, or not last week, 2 weeks ago, and then last week charge me, well, $90, and then take a code, well, $81 because you took $8.99 off. Why? And then send in an Afterburner. You do not have no Megabolt Extremes. That's the whole point here. So why don't you man up and just tell us that, right? So instead of you answering a text and all that, you just ignore us. So guess what? Now we're going to make sure that you're licensed in New York properly and make sure you did the proper channels, because that's what we do and that's where we're going at with this. You've had your chance to man up on it. 2 of them. Okay, we didn't say nothing about the first one. We went ahead and put it in that quad and didn't say nothing about it. Figured, well, made a mistake. Let's order the right one. Yeah, you're scamming because of the virus, obviously. You need to stop, and you're being exposed right now, sir.